Do you have scratches? Of course you do. Let me show you how to take them off. First things first, make sure the car is clean, and then you can start with the clay bar. Lubricate the surface with clay luber and start cleaning with your clay bar left and right. And don't forget, don't be stingy with the lube. All right, now that we're done, check out all the contamination. Now that you're done cleaning, just wipe off the residue with the microfiber towel. Now it's time for the fun part. Grab your TORQ X Polisher, your orange cutting pad, make sure you place that on there, and pull out your bottle of C4 compound. Apply 5 drops, blot it out, and get to cutting. All right, now that we're done cutting, let's grab a microfiber towel, wipe off the residue, and inspect the results. Looks good, but we can make it look better. Now that we're done cutting, let's refine with P4 polish. We're gonna do the same thing. 5 drops, blot it out, and cut. And that's how easy it is to get rid of scratches and swirls with the TORQ X Polisher Kit. Get yours today.